Good morning to our lecturer. We come from Group 9 and today we have to present the Sustainability Construction Management. My name is Unibo and I will present the introductions. And first, the multi-story buildings had to be discussed is an apartment Medini in Johor Bahru. The building was planned for Johor Bahru City at 14 Jalan Jelau 6 Johor Bahru, Johor. In this project, there are some objectives and the first is to analyze the sustainability criteria of the multi-story buildings which are economic, environment and social pillars. Next is to analyze the sustainability strategy of the building. And the third is to justify the applicability of each proposed sustainability strategy. And the last is to analyze the waste management during the construction process of the building along with the materials final disposal.
Hi, my name is Choi Wang Seng. Now I want to present the three elements that included in the sustainability criteria in this project, which are the economy, environment, and social sustainability. For the economic sustainability, life cycle is to estimating the investment during the construction that the developer need to spend when analyzing the economic sustainability. Normally, the investor of the development will use some economy metric like ROI, ROC, or NPV to evaluate their business. Return of investment ROI and return of capital employed ROC is used to determine the benefit that will be received from their investment. And for the net present value NPV is commonly used in capital budgeting to figure out which construction project will make the most money. For the environment sustainability is defined as decrease the negative impact of construction activity to the environment. So they have several ways to protect our environment. For the first method is to decreasing a building carbon dioxide pollution. It's good to optimize its energy utilization. Then use sustainability construction material. It's good to reduce the waste in the life cycle of the construction. And the pollution of the construction must be reduced to protect the environment. For the social sustainability is a long-term vision in order to build up a livable society by understanding the requirement or demand of people in their living area. And all the users should have the chance to buy the unit what they want and should not have the discrimination between the people. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Gordon Chan Ying. Now I will explain about the sustainability strategies which we have proposed. First is the passive solar design. This design uses the sun's energy to aid in the heating and cooling of living spaces. The second sustainability strategy is thermal maze. Thermal maze materials reduce indoor temperature and humidity fluctuations without the consumption of energy. Deep water cooling is also a good way of sustainability. It is a cooling method that draws cold water from a deep lake, river, or ocean that is within import to cool buildings. Water management is also a suitable sustainability strategy. Sustainable toilet can be designed along with automated tap water. Recycling of wastewater for domestic water usage as well as implementation of periodic water maintenance to prevent water leaks. Rainwater harvester can be installed to collect rainwater for daily usage to prevent excessive use of domestic water. Next, solar panels also provide good sustainability as solar cells converts solar energy into electrical energy to provide for electrical appliances. Similar to solar panels, wind turbines convert wind energy into electrical energy instead. A green roof is a layer of vegetation planted on the roof, which greatly reduces the temperature of the roof, which helps to cool the building and surrounding environment. Lastly is the ramp up. It is used to form walls, floors, and foundation. That's all from me, thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Dan Haris bin Muhammad Amin, and I'll be talking about the applicability of sustainable energy. For the concept of passive solar, since ideally it would allow more efficient heating throughout the building, for the application of the building for the project, it would decrease the amount of energy used for heating throughout the building. For thermal mass, however, the most suitable for this project would be absorbing excess heat and releasing it without raising the temperature, as it would decrease the overall amount of heat trapped inside the building. Deep water cooling uses large bodies of water to cool areas or districts, so it should, for this project, decrease the amount of energy used in cooling the building. For water management, improved wastewater management would heavily decrease the wastage of water, and so to do that we could use for this project alternative versions of toilets and urinals that instead of using water to flush away excrement, they would use suction and vacuum, thus reducing the use of water. For rainwater harvesting, since it harvests rainwater from the roofs of buildings, for this project, it would decrease the reliance of water from less sustainable sources. Solar panels are a cheaper alternative to current conventional methods that use fossil fuels, and it would be efficient for this project due to Malaysia's hot and sunny weather. The applicability of sustainable energy for wind turbine, since they come in many different shapes and sizes, smaller versions can be put on the roof of the building, where it would generate electricity based on the kinetic energy from the wind. Green roofs, other than used to cooling the temperature of a building, it would also trap the pollutants within the rain that falls onto the roof, therefore not only decreasing the use of energy in cooling the building, it will also conserve the environment. Rammed earth is sustainable due to its materials being local and easy to find, and the construction would it would decrease waste, as construction materials can be reused for other purposes. Thank you.
My name is Kevin Chai Sisian, and I'll start presenting waste management. First, reduce. Reduce the resources and materials consumption during the construction process. Prevention waste from being produced is the priority idea of source reduction. Make sure that every material is utilized in its best way for its particular function. Reuse. Construction materials that are not waste can be used again for the same or other purpose. Ensure the best usage of every material. Recycle. Material segregation. Separating each material with one type of waste into one container. Wood can be recycled into new engineered wood products such as particle board, fiberboard, and furniture. Asphalt and rubber can be recycled and made into aggregate and asphalt products such as asphalt bedding. And last, landfill. It is a place and land disposal site for waste including construction materials. That's all from us. Thank you.